What's his name?
His name's Larry. His last.
Come on!
He works for the
Let me
Bridgeview. I don't know what the but his last name's on the back of the license plate.
Gotcha.
He's got a handy to you. That's why he's yelling and screaming like that.
I don't know. You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do! But let me go! Come on!
You're getting it.
Wally Klimek. I was the chief of police from Bridgeview.
On December 27, 2024, officers in Bridgeview, Illinois responded to a two-vehicle crash. The at-fault driver identified himself as the former chief of police for that very village. The arrest that followed illustrates three intersecting doctrines under Illinois and federal law.
I don't know! What the f***? This is not needed to me! Come on!
Okay, that's no problem.
Let me go!
I saw the fire department pull out.
Yeah, they probably
Are
can't
they
get
on
through.
Come
Oklahoma
on!
Central?
Let me
No.
go!
They're coming.
I know.
What's his name?
His name's Larry. His last.
Come on!
He works for the
Let me
Bridgeview. I don't know what
go!
the but his last name's on the back of the license plate.
Gotcha.
He's got a handy to you. That's why he's yelling and screaming like that. He doesn't know if the airbag's deployed, but
Come
other
on!
than that, I don't know if he's been drinking or.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell. The red car, that's mine.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in traffic and he comes down this way, hits this thing, and then the whole car just
Hey,
flips
come on!
over like this.
What the f***?
Larry,
Why can't you
relax,
go?
just relax, will ya?
This lane, this idiot hit that. He was going too fast.
You're gonna have to come down this way the wrong way.
Let me go!
Larry, just relax.
It's not let me
Larry,
go!
Larry, just relax.
Come on! Let me go!
So
It's
I
not
put the barrel,
doing it.
so I'm rerouting traffic that way.
Yeah.
So I don't have to
Come
stand there.
on! What the f***?
I wanted to go down
You!
this way. That's
You!
not gonna happen, bro.
You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go!
You have the keys, man? Yeah,
He's got him on his lap.
on
Come on!
I can't tell if it's an arc. I can't see if he's got an injury or what.
What the f***? Let me
He's
go!
got blood, he's got blood on his face. I don't know if that was from probably the airbag.
Yeah, maybe.
You! It's not fucking let me f***ing go! Let's go! You! Come on! Come on! You!
Dude, come
Let's
down.
Go!
Come down, come down.
Let me f***ing go!
Okay, all right, calm down.
Let me
Dude,
go!
okay, calm down. Relax.
You know what? I'm the
Okay.
You know what? I'm the
down.
top in Bridgeview.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, come on. No, come on.
I don't know. You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do. But let me go. Come on. Come on, let me
Claim
go.
he does.
This guy coming from all the way.
The guy in the Buick.
Yeah, I hit the fence, speed sometime, and hit this car. This happened, just for...
Yeah. We see, I can't get in there. I don't know if he's got a head injury. I don't know
He's a
what.
village employee, so and he's got blood hanging off his. Okay, and he's swearing and all that.
Harry, how are you?
So I'm trying to keep him. He's swearing and all that.
Is your car in park, sir?
You guys are awesome. You guys are good. You guys are good. Thank you. You guys are good. All right, thank you very much.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, Climax.
Let me go very much. Come on.
There you go. I didn't have my knife on me.
Oh no, you guys are good.
Patient contact, no issues. We're heading back to the corner.
Oh, that's harder from there.
No, I'm not gonna.
Larry, don't give these guys a hard time. Don't give them a hard time, all right?
You guys are great.
Don't give them,
great.
yeah, don't give them a hard time.
No, you guys are great.
Yeah.
Thank you very
That's
much.
good. I think it might be the airbag.
Please appreciate it.
No, you're not. You're retired, man.
His name is Larry. Woman?
That's not Wall.
Wally. It's Wally.
It should be Wally.
It is Wally.
Oh, it is? Okay. What does he
Hey,
do?
why are you getting so upset? He's retired. It's an airbag. You were in an
Well, he's got a
I
Bridgeview.
didn't put
He's
that
got a
there.
shirt
No,
that
you
says
didn't.
Bridgeview.
No, I didn't.
You were in a car he accident. works,
I've heard that name before, but I don't know what department he's in.
Come on, guys. You know what? Come on. I mean, what the f***?
Okay.
Hey, guys. Thank
Can we
you.
even get the stretcher through here?
You
might want to drive around the block and come this way if you can. I'm just worried about that.
The 32s, you know, just in case.
Just stand. Just make sure you're getting everything.
Wally Klimek. I was the chief of police in Bridgeview.
Oh,
That's what he was.
that makes it even better. That's why I want to.
What the shit?
Just relax, Wally.
I know, because you guys are always awesome when I go down
Right,
here.
right,
You guys
right.
are awesome.
We want to take care of you, Wally, all right?
Said that you want to go to the hospital.
I've never seen a head injury like that before. And I was in the fire service for 4 years.
Where the
515.
my phone is not on me. What the
Wally.
Stop!
Wally,
Don't come
Wally.
back, me!
is there a way to shut that car off? Jesus.
Where the f did he come from?
Who?
Him! What the f did he come
He's
from?
here to help you. He's taking you to
No.
the hospital.
No. He was that was. Who the f put that in there? Tell him, get the f out of here!
Yo, you're going in there.
Obviously!
So
Get the f out of
You want to
here!
walk over there, or do you want us to bring the stretcher over?
Out of the car.
Come on, Wally. You ready? Come on, buddy. You gotta get out.
Gotta get out.
I'm waiting for him. It's Woody.
What's that?
Wally, right here. Let's go.
What the f is this?
Wally, come on, buddy.
You know what? Come on, get the f out of here!
Let me get a seatbelt on it.
Oh, what are you doing back here? You know what? What are you doing back here in my f***ing arm?
Come on, Wally. Let's go.
You have to hop out of the car, man.
Come on. Let's go. Wally, come on, bud.
Come on, you know what? I want the f***ing chief of police in Bridgeview.
No, you're not.
Why you do this to me?
No, you're not. Come on.
All right, you gotta hop out of the car.
You know what?
Wally, let's go. Wally, come on.
Why you do this to
Wally,
what?
you're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
What?
Okay.
You're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
You know what? Don't do it to my
Wally.
f***ing arm.
Wally, let's go.
You know, just leave me alone.
If you want to keep...
You know what?
Hey,
Get him the f*** out of here.
if you want to keep any
What?
part of your career left, get out of the car nice. Now. If you want to have a job still tomorrow, get out of the car nice.
You know what?
Let's go.
You know what? Leave
Wally.
me alone.
Let's go.
You have to hop
You know
out of the
what?
car, Wally.
Get him the f*** out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
No, get him out of here. No.
Wally, let's go.
No,
Stop
stop.
fighting.
No, Wally.
Stop fighting.
Ow! Stop
Wally,
doing that
stop.
to me.
Wally.
No, stop doing that to me.
Wally, out of the car, my man.
I
Come
know,
on.
but stop
go.
doing that to me.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
Stop doing that to. Ow!
Let's go. Wally.
No!
Wally, stop resisting. Let's go.
Stop! You're hurt.
Let's
Ow!
Stop resisting, Wally. Come on. Wally, let's go. All right, you sleep.
Ow!
Wally, let's
Come
go.
on, guys.
Come on, let's
You
go.
guys hurt me a lot.
We're trying to pull you out.
No, you guys hurt me.
We're not playing games no more. Let's go.
I know, but don't hurt me.
All right, then get out.
Get out.
I know, but
We don't want to
please
have to do this.
don't hurt me.
We're not hurting you, Wally.
I
We're
know.
trying to get you
No,
out
you
of the car.
did.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, come on. No, you guys are my f***ing buddies.
I know, then let's go.
Then
I
let's
know,
go.
but don't do that. Stop.
Wally, let's
Take
go.
Your hands off the
Take your
steering wheel.
hands
Okay,
off the
come on,
steering wheel.
guys.
Let's
I'm
go.
sorry.
Let's-
No, come
Wally,
on.
come on.
Ow! Stop.
Wally,
No.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
That arm. I have this one.
Feel it.
Guys.
Okay. We're out.
Illinois driving under the influence at 625 ILCS section 11-501 requires probable cause. That framework from Illinois versus Gates permits no single factor to be dispositive but weighs them collectively. Here, 6 factors converged: a witnessed collision, airbag deployment, incoherent speech, bloodshot eyes, disoriented affect, and numeric non-response. Any single factor would fall short. Together, they comfortably clear the constitutional threshold for a warrantless arrest. That arrest also triggers Illinois implied consent, requiring chemical testing under Section 11-501.2. Resisting a peace officer under 720 ILCS Section 31-1 requires a physical act. The Illinois Supreme Court in People v. Raby held that argument. Profanity and refusal to answer do not suffice. Gripping a steering wheel to prevent lawful extraction plainly does. That act was captured directly on camera. Force used during that extraction is measured against the objective reasonableness standard of Graham versus Connor. Graham weighs 3 factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All 3 favored the officers. The subject had confirmed a firearm inside the vehicle while combative and impaired.
Okay, we're out.
Oh, guys,
That's all we wanted, man. Just get you out
I'm
of the car.
sorry. Guys, I'm sorry.
We're just gonna get checked out. You get
All right.
checked out.
Guys, I'm sorry, guys. Come on,
sorry for it.
You're my best buddies.
How much you had to drink tonight, Wally?
No, not today. No, not today.
Nothing
Okay, how much
today.
you had to drink the last hour?
Oh, let go, man.
Ow!
Ow, what?
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, get up.
I'm sorry.
Where's your ID at, man?
Okay. Wait. Oh my God. Ow! Come on, guys.
Checking for that 32.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Okay, come on. I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Stop. You're my awesome guy. Ow!
Hey.
Oh, you know what? Come on. Ow! You're f***ing hurting me.
Well, then quit resisting.
What?
Stop
No, you're
resisting.
hurting me.
Oh, well, quit resisting.
Ow! Whoa. That's my f***ing
I
car.
don't have one, though. The other one.
What?
Mr. Walter, you ready?
Come on. Let me know if you need help. Yeah. Okay, I got you.
Okay.
All right, so you understand what this is, right? So this is going to be pretty much, you understand your vehicle was towed, right?
What?
Your vehicle was towed because you were in a car accident.
My vehicle's what?
It was towed.
Towed?
Yeah.
No, it's not towed.
Well, yes, it was. I'm telling you.
It's not
Okay.
towed.
This is going to be.
Was it towed by you?
Listen to what I'm trying to tell
Well,
you.
it wasn't towed.
It was told he was involved in an accident.
No, because
You crashed into another car.
I pulled.
And you've been drinking.
No, 'cause I
Okay.
pulled by. No, I pulled by you guys.
Sir, I'm explaining
It
this
was
to you,
not
okay?
towed.
For DUI. Okay.
What do you mean a DUI?
I'm explaining to you what this is. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? Stop getting upset, okay?
What do you mean a DUI? I'm not.
That's what the officer charged you with.
I'm not drunk.
The arresting officer charged you with a DUI, okay?
I'm not going. I'm not drunk. I came for work
Listen.
I came by work by you guys.
Okay. You want to get out from here, or you want to stay in here? If you want to get out, sign here, okay?
Yeah, but
Okay, then.
I came from you. I came from work by you guys.
Okay,
I'm not drunk.
You can argue that in court.
The IACP model policy on impaired driving expressly prohibits extending professional courtesy to fellow officers active or retired. Invocation of former rank carries no legal weight. Equal protection principles demand uniform enforcement of impaired driving law. On the Fifth Amendment, Berkemer versus McCarty holds that routine roadside questioning does not trigger Miranda warnings. Statements made before formal custody, including admissions on scene, remain fully admissible against the defendant. 3 lessons follow. First, a badge, current or retired, offers no immunity from the statutes it once enforced. Second, physical resistance to a lawful arrest almost never helps a defendant. It compounds charges and forecloses defenses. Third, body camera evidence has permanently changed impaired driving prosecutions. Narrative reports now compete with high-definition recording. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.